Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Big Horse is unlocked and properly assigned to your active roster. This matters because stats only apply when selected. Once done, fit 2-3 initial upgrades focused on traction and fuel efficiency to stabilize speed on inclines, and add brakes for control. Make sure to arrange the train with lighter cars at the front and heavy freight at the back, so acceleration and handling remain predictable. This immediate setup shortens learning time and prevents early stalls on gradient sections. Now you refine how you operate Big Horse during runs by watching heat and fuel closely, because overheating or running dry kills momentum. Once gauges allow, use short throttle bursts, then ease off to coast. This conserves fuel while keeping speed. Make sure to engage dynamic brakes on long descents to maintain control and prevent brake fade, and modulate power to limit wheel slip on wet or loose track. These mid-run habits let you sustain higher average speed while reducing repair downtime. To finish strong, you pace your arrival by slowing to low power about 1/3 of the final approach, so stopping is precise. This prevents cargo damage and fines. Once in yard, switch to low power and avoid abrupt reversals that stress the drivetrain. If you encounter a stall or loss of traction, cut power, count 2 to 3 seconds, then gently reapply minimal throttle to recover. This resets wheel adhesion and often gets you moving without repairs. Use that recovery tip when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.